Very good morning, my dear students. In the last video session, we learned about how accounting started and in which period, then how it came into existence, then we saw the definitions. Now today, we'll be seeing about the accounting cycle. So accounting cycle is the sequence of steps involved in the accounting process. That is, this is the order. Okay, for any accounting process, ஏதாவது நம்ம என்டர் பண்ணணும், any transaction when we get. So this is a step by step order. In accounting cycle, transactions comes the first. That is, any transfer of funds into the business or that is out of the business or from a business. Okay, so that must be entered first. Next one, journalizing. Recording the transaction in the journal is called journalizing. Here in journalizing, all the monetary transactions means transaction related with money. So money is worth. Okay, the cash depend ஆயிருக்கும் இல்லையா. So all those are entered here. It must be recorded in this book. Then the third one, posting and balancing. That is, posting is nothing but transferring. Okay, so whatever entries is there in the journal, that will be posting it here. That means we'll be transferring that entry to this ledger account. So this is called as posting. Next, balancing means it is an account is to total both debit and credit sides of an account and putting the difference on that side which is shorter. So for this, first you should know what is debit and what is credit. So in accounts, we have dual aspect concept and we'll say double entry system. So what this dual aspect and double entry system insist? என்ன சொல்ல வராங்க அப்படின்னா, இது அக்கௌண்டிங் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் எந்த ஒரு டிரான்சாக்ஷன் நம்ம எடுத்தாலும், அதாவது சப்போஸ் இப்போ எனிதிங் இஃப் ஐ பை, அப்போது நான் ஏதாவது ஒன்று வாங்குகிறேன் அப்படின்னா சம்திங் இஸ் கம்மிங் இன், ரைட்? ஸோ அது ஒரு டிரான்சாக்ஷன். ஸோ ஈச் டிரான்சாக்ஷன் ஹேஸ் 2 entries. Surely you'll be having at least one debit and one credit. Here debit is always equal to credit. ஸோ திஸ் டெபிட் என்ன, கிரெடிட் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா, சப்போஸ் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு காயின் எடுத்துட்டோன்னா, ஒரு காயினில் ஒரு ஹெட்டு ஒரு டெய்லு கம்பல்சரியாக இருக்குது இல்லையா? அதே மாதிரி தான் ஒரு டிரான்சாக்ஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது ஒரு டெபிட் ஒரு கிரெடிட் அப்படின்னு ஒரு என்ட்ரிஸ் இருக்கணும். இது நம்மளாக வச்சுட்ட பேர் தான் இது. டெபிட் கிரெடிட் அப்படின்றது அக்கௌண்டிங்கில் நம்மளே வச்ச பேர் இது. அண்ட் தென் இது ஷார்ட்டாக எப்படி எதுனா டிஆர் அப்படின்றது டெபிட், சிஆர் அப்படின்னு போட்டோன்னா கிரெடிட். Now the next step in accounting cycle is trial balance. The balance of all ledgers are compiled into debit and credit account column. Next, preparation of trading account. Here the account prepared for calculating gross profit or loss of the business. That is, the next step is preparation for a particular accounting period. That is, all the direct revenues and direct expenses. Revenues means incomes. Expenses, you all know what all we've been spent. So direct expenses are transferred here to this trading account. Next, preparation of profit and loss account. The account that is prepared is to find the net profit or loss. So in this account, all the indirect revenues, so that is all the income that is being earned indirectly, and indirect expenses along with gross profit or gross loss are transferred to profit and loss account. Last step in accounting cycle is the preparation of balance sheet. Here the assets and liabilities are brought in order to find true and fair view of the state of affairs of the business. The pictorial representation of the accounting cycle starts with the transaction, and here the financial transactions are journalized. This being posted and balanced, then by preparing trial balance, after that preparing trading account, after that preparing profit and loss account, finally preparing the balance sheet. And it goes on with the open entry, then again journalizing. So like this the accounting cycle goes on. Okay students, go through the video session again. Thank you students. Have a nice day.